In this video, we are going to see the data analysis part. So data analysis consists in analyzing the data in order to report them to your client afterward. So that's something that ChatGPT can do really well for Matomo. There are different ways that you can do it. In my case here, I'm using the ChatGPT plugin, which is the web pilot mode, which allow you to directly give him the end to access to your Matomo. So here I'm asking it, okay, overall, what does it say about my website? That's typically something that your client will ask to you to read from the data. Is my website doing good or not? So of course, just repeating what you're having a look at here is not gonna help. What they want is like, they want the truth. They want to know based on the data, what are the words that you're gonna use. And that's definitely where ChatGPT is handy. So of course here is repeating his prose, let's say. But over here it says the data indicate a strong performance in terms of visitor engagement and interaction with the content of your website, the increase in visits, average duration, so on and so forth. So here it's saying that it's positive. So what you can do with ChatGPT as well is like asking it directly to turn this given comment in an image. So here I just copy and paste the conclusion that we had some minutes ago. And as a result, you can just get an image that you can directly show to your client in order to say, okay, this is the current situation. I mean, like, you don't need to enter within the detail. Client knows that it's positive. On the other way around, you can of course keep on going and digging within the data. So that's typically what I did over here. So here I just took year 2021, which wasn't positive. And the data indicates a significant decrease in website performance. So you could do exactly the same thing over here to ask for an image. So it's going to provide it. And if you think that they are not like self-explanatory, you can as well ask it to turn them as a smiley so that they can really see that it's not going positive. And last but not least, you can of course investigate other things. So for example, here I just say, hey, I took the acquisition part. I went over here. I just compare it to to the previous year, and I just copy and paste this given URL. I gave it to ChatGPT in order to say, okay, what worked in 2023 and what doesn't. And as a result, as you can see, it's gonna tell you exactly what happened. In fact, it's just reading the data and then making you the conclusion. So it avoids you to read the data and then write, in fact, all the conclusions already that you can handle with your client if you, of course, agree with those conclusions.